Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the language in DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. So in their browser interface they had only Chinese as well as English, but in their mobile app they are having lot of different languages. So I'll be showing you how to change the language specifically in their mobile app. So let's get started. So first thing, just come to the home interface, and to the leftmost top you will be having those two lines icon. Just click that, and at the bottom you will be having your username. Select that, and you'll be having profile, about, and app. And under app you are having the color theme as well as app language. Click on app language and you are having these many languages to choose from. So I'll just go with any language over here and click on done. And here you can see the language has been affected over here. Yeah, the language has changed. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.